In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit sent messages on iPhone. So if you mistakenly sent a message, maybe the spellings are wrong, or it is not to the right person, or the type of message you want to send is not actually the message you mistakenly sent to this person, you can easily edit this message on your iPhone before time. So in this video, I'll walk you through how to edit sent messages on iPhone. If I don't know this video, if you found this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first one to do is open the messaging app on your iPhone and click on the edit button at the top right, just like this. Then select the contact you want to send the message to. Once you select the contact, all you need to do, come here and type the message. So let's say this is the message you want to send. You know there's a typo error here. I want to write, "Hey babe, Zob." Then click on the send button. This is sent, right? Just press and hold the message just like this. And then if you see the edit button here, click on that. Then quickly edit this message. Write the correct thing you want to write in the message, and then hit the check button this, and then you should see the message edited. However, this message will be delivered as usual, but the only difference here is this: you should see edited at the bottom of the message, unlike when you send the message without editing it. So this is how to edit messages on iPhone. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.